This video is a review of the two settings, Save Version and Save Envelope, in SignatureBridge. To adjust these settings, log into SignatureBridge. Select your name in the upper right-hand corner and choose Account Info. To toggle the settings off and on, simply select them. You must have one of the settings enabled, or you can opt to enable both of them. Now let's discuss the implications of enabling these settings. First, we'll discuss versions. When Save Versions is enabled, it means that SignatureBridge will save the completed signed copy of the original document in PDF format as a new version of the original document that was sent to DocuSign. If you send a single Word document for signature, then the final signed copy will check back in to NetDocuments as a new version, and it will be in PDF format. This PDF document will become the new official version for the file. If you send multiple documents from NetDocuments into a single envelope, then any document containing a signature field on the envelope will receive a new version once the full envelope is signed. Each document will receive its own version, which contains only that document and its signatures. It will not contain the other documents in the envelope. This is an example of using SignatureBridge with versions enabled. This is the second version of the document. The signature certificate is attached, and the original version is intact. Note, this will not capture any documents that were uploaded manually onto the envelope from your desktop or network. When the Save Envelope PDF setting is enabled, SignatureBridge will create a PDF file containing all of the contents of the DocuSign envelope. This will be filed in the same location as the document you sent to DocuSign. If you send multiple documents from different locations, it will choose the first document that is contained in the package and file it in that location. This envelope PDF will also use NetDocuments' linking feature to link itself to each of the included documents requiring signature. It will not link to documents that did not receive a signature field in DocuSign. This PDF will contain all of the documents that you sent from NetDocuments and any additional documents that were uploaded separately from your desktop or network. The envelope PDF will be saved into NetDocuments as soon as your DocuSign envelope is sent to its recipients, and it will be marked as checked out. Original documents containing signature fields will also be marked as checked out within NetDocuments. The envelope PDF will be updated each time the DocuSign envelope is changed or signed. When all signatures have been received and the DocuSign is completed, the document will be checked in and it will have a signature certificate appended to the rest of the document. The envelope PDF is named after the DocuSign envelope signature and is also identified with the tag DocuSign Demo Signed. If you choose to enable both settings, SignatureBridge will create a PDF containing all of the contents of the DocuSign envelope and link it to the original documents. SignatureBridge will also save the original documents as new versions and link these documents to the envelope. This setting matrix will help you determine which functionality you need for which purpose.